What's up guys, Nizo here. Welcome back to another unboxing. It's been a while since I've done one of these, but then it's also been a while since I last got some cool gear. My friends at Morel have sent through this Ultimo Pro 12. This is their current flagship subwoofer. It's the latest to the offering. They've got the Ultimo Pro Shallow, and then this is their full-sized version. This happens to be the first one on African soil. I actually got it a few days ago, but been a bit busy trying to get around to unboxing it. So anyway, here goes. First thing you notice, and to be honest, disclaimer, I did open this before. You can see that's misaligned and yeah. Anyway, first things first, one thing you've got to really love about Morel is their no-nonsense approach to subwoofer grills, or should I say to speaker grills, the high-end speaker grills in general. The Supremo range, the Elite range, all come with these. It seems like a cast grill. It's like really solid. Like in Alaska, they have a bowling ball test, and if you literally threw a bowling ball at this and dropped it, nothing's gonna happen to it. You can hear how solid it is. That's all my weight, and yeah, nothing. It's got a nice design. The round, it kind of flows with my mid-range tweeter grills and all of that. Reminds me of a lotus flower. Not quite, but very similar. The speaker itself. Okay, let me get to this. Okay, I'm doing this with one hand, so what I'm going to do is just give me a moment. I'll pull this out and then I'll be right back. And there we're back. The subwoofer is very pretty. Very pretty. First thing you'll notice, okay, aside from the Morel branding on the three sides, is the carbon cone. It catches your attention. This is a really strong, really stiff. This is actually a composite cone. If you look from the inside, you'll see that it's like a paper cone on the inside, and carbon. They've got some technical explanation to do with the strength and keeping it lightweight and strong, all at the same time. Side view of subwoofer. The first thing that catches your attention here should be the size of the coil. Now, this is pretty interesting. So, a large coil tells you that there's large power needed. And if you look at this woofer, you wouldn't just say, but it actually needs 1000 watts RMS to keep it going. Or let me just say the recommended RMS rating is 1000 RMS. The other thing that grabs your attention should be the pigtails and then the press terminals. Now I want to come back to that mammoth size voice coil. So Morel has a cool reason, and I've seen this with the Morel Elite mid-bass. I've got the 9-inch mid-bass in the car, and what the engineer explained was the large coil helps with the integrity, keeping the structural integrity of the cone at bay. So if you look at the coil size, if it had a smaller coil, it attaches to the cone, it would be like maybe that size. This one's pretty big, so it offers a lot of support to the cone. The X-Max is pretty decent on this woofer. X-Max happens to be how much it moves the linear excursion. And yeah, this woofer is said to be designed for absolute musical accuracy. It's got a frequency response of 10 hertz all the way up to 700. We don't really worry with the top end so much, but to go down to 10 hertz for a 12-inch subwoofer, that's pretty serious. Other cool part about the Morel, well, the entire Ultimo range at that, the motors actually disassemble. So you can loosen these bolts that goes all the way around, and you can strip the motor, the entire motor. At first I thought it was just a cover, but I know from my experience with the previous range of Ultimos that when you loosen this, you could actually pull the entire motor, clean out anything. Not that you need to or anything, but I'm sure Morel has a technical explanation as to why they've done that. But it's pretty cool. It's pretty neat. I've never really had to do one myself, but yeah, it has the facility, or it can be done. Let's have a look at it. I think once the grill is on, you can't really see the Morel branding that's around, but at least you do still see this one. Anyway, that's all I have to show you on the subwoofer for now. Once I get it into the car, I'll let you know how it goes. We'll run it in. I know it's going to take some time to run in, but we'll get there. There's no rush for anything. We'll get there, we'll play it, we'll try it, we'll see how it goes. 1000 watts of power into this little baby. Should be happy. Let's see how low it can go. Thanks for watching.